Hello everyone, it's time for science. Before we get started, one thing that you will have to do before is cut your tissue paper into butterfly wings. So you've been provided with the tissue paper. What I did is cut out the butterfly wings 1/2, but I folded it over at the crease. Cut 1/2 so that when you open it up, it's symmetrical. One thing that is important for this science activity is that the center of the wings is shorter than the butterfly body. Therefore, if I were to layer it, it goes over the crease and under the crease there so that it does not get caught and is not glued down to the cardboard. Another thing, if you're doing this at home, that you will need that was not in your packet is a square of cardboard. I just took an Amazon box and cut the bottom of it, and it needs to be the size or bigger than the butterfly wings and the butterfly body. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It's time to do science, and if you are not doing our activity at home, you can still follow along in your books and answer the questions with us so that you can participate in science as well. So first, let's talk about the 4 things that scientists do. First, scientists observe. We see what we need for the experiment. We see what do we need. Then scientists predict. We use our very smart brains to guess what is going to happen. After we make a prediction and we guess, we are going to explore. Scientists explore, which means scientists are going to do the experiment. We're going to do the experiment with our eyes, our hands, our nose, our ears, not with our mouth today. And last but not least, scientists are going to check their predictions. Was what happened really what we predicted? We want to know, was our prediction and the answer the same or different? All right, those are the 4 things scientists do. So let's open our books, and it's time to be scientists. We are going to observe. What do we need? So let's follow along. I have my marker. What do we need for the experiment? First, I see cardboard. I see cardboard. Cardboard is a thick paper, and it's brown and it's sturdy. Take your marker and find cardboard in your book. Cardboard. I see cardboard. Next, I see tissue paper. Our tissue paper is all different colors, and not everybody is the same color. They're different, but I see tissue paper. Tissue paper is usually used for presents. It can be in a present bag or in your box with clothing. It can also be used for crafts, which is what we're going to use it today. A little bit of crafts, a little bit of science. It's very, very light. Next, I see paper, cardstock paper that we cut like a butterfly body. Cardstock paper. And last but not least, I see a balloon. A balloon that we are going to have to put air in the balloon. find the balloon on your book. All right, we talked about what do scientists see. It's time to turn the page and predict. As a scientist, we predict what is going to happen. Do you think it's going to flap butterfly wings or explode? That's a hard one. We have a balloon here and balloons pop. And we know that balloons popping makes a loud noise in our ears, and that could explode as well. So right now you can make your choice with either flapping the wings or exploding. Whichever one you choose, let's circle. Miss Kyle, I think balloons might pop. I'm going to say explode. I think it's going to explode. And next we turn the page. The next thing scientists do is we explore. Scientists do the experiment. So it's time to look, listen, feel, and smell. As we do our experiment, I'm going to put my book away so that it's not in the way. And I have my instructions. So first we need our square cardboard. Okay. Then we have our butterfly wings. Okay, so it says we need to cut them and set them onto our cardboard. Do not glue, just set it down, which I have here. Set down. Just laying. Put it on the cardboard. Next we need our body. We have our butterfly body. And we need to glue it down in the middle of the butterfly and overlapping it onto your cardboard. Do not glue the tissue paper wings down. You will want the wings loose like shown in the picture below. Glue your googly eyes down to your butterfly. So I'm going to open my glue and put it on my butterfly body. Parents, this is something that you can do with the kids hand over hand. This is great for them to learn how to use this glue stick appropriately. And hand over hand is fine. We are learning to tolerate and appropriately use things. The more we do this, even if it's hand over hand, the more they get used to doing it at school and at home on their own. So I'm going to take the glue and put it down on my butterfly wings in the center. Push down. Okay. Your butterfly should look like this. Again, my wings are loose. Okay. Our butterfly is missing eyes. So let's put the eyes on his body. Butterflies have 1, 2 eyes. We are going to, oh, my lid was not on. Put some glue on the butterfly. Put his eyes on. 1, 2. This might be a little bit hard for our friends, especially if they get glue on their fingers. They do not like that feeling. But it's good practice. And again, all about tolerating. Okay, our eyes are on our butterfly. He can now see his wings are going to flap or the balloon's going to explode. Okie dokie. I'm going to close my glue and put it away. Next we need to blow up the balloon. So I need to put air in the balloon. Ready, set, go. Balloons are always fun to use, and after you're done with this experiment, it's always fun to just play a quick game, keep it up in the air. This is good practice just for hand-eye coordination and just fun in general on this nice summer day. So I have air in, I'm going to tie it up. Now, the fun part, rub that balloon in your hair to get static charge. Oh, my hair is going to be wild. And then you're going to put it in the center of your butterfly. Ooh, look at that. Oh, his wings are moving. Maybe I need to charge it up again. Oh, look at those wings move. Look at that. Maybe a little bit more rubbing. Oh, my hair feels crazy. Oh, up and down, up and down. Ooh, watch those wings fly. Woo. Up, up. His wings go up and they go down. Let's do it more. Rub, 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 rub. Woo! And I can see his wings go up and down, up and down. How wonderful. Our butterfly's wings were flying. Our butterfly's wings were flying with our balloon. So, we've explored our experiment. I'm going to get out my book again with my marker, put the balloon away for now. And it's time to check our answers. What did it do? Explode? Or did the wings fly? I did not hear with my ears a big loud pop. I heard the tissue paper going in the wind, or blowing and moving up and down from our static electricity. That means the wings were moving. The wings were moving. Our last step is to do a reflection page. So we predicted, or Miss Kyle predicted, that my balloon was going to explode. So I'm going to put my prediction on. I predicted it was going to explode. And when I checked my answer, the wings moved. The wings moved. The butterfly flapped its wings. The butterfly flapped its wings. So, when I look at my reflection page, I see I predicted an explosion and it actually flapped its wings. So are these two pictures the same or different? The same or or different? They're different. They do not look alike. So we are going to circle different. My prediction was wrong, and that's okay. We make an educated guess, and that's all it is. My prediction was different this time. All right, our science is all done. It's time to go. Everybody enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.